That thing is freaking huge, and it's built like a freaking tank.
It is. It does. It's built to handle shit.
Well, obviously not inverted flighting.
Right.
Aw, say what happened.
They went inverted and couldn't get it up.
Couldn't get it to come up.
But that's usually what she said.
That's what she said.
No, that's what she always says now. Can't get the motherfucker up no more.
That's what they make them little blue pills for.
There goes the PG rated.
Well, it's just 3 of us. There's no family out here.
No,
so
I
we're all
put
good.
stuff on YouTube, but that's all good because I don't put it for kids usually.
Well, you just bleep those parts out before you put it up.
I ain't going that far. It looks like I was getting it. Oh, there it is. Zoomed in too much. Dude, that thing's flying like a champ already, ain't it?
Yep, it's got a lot of right aileron.
Does it?
Fix it, bro.
It's going left.
Wrong way. There you go. Other direction. Get it flying and come back at us down the wrong way with that wind against you. This is going with the wind, just so you know.
We got a west wind right now.
Yeah.
It's amazing how much support that tube actually provides for. I couldn't put the wings on without the tube in it.
Right.
It's really bizarre. I was freaking out. I thought I put it back together wrong. Then the rod showed up and I stuck the rod in there and everything went perfect. I went, oh, okay.
Oh. Yeah, it's still going left. There we go.
So that sounds like it looks like we got it.
South wind, southwest wind.
Yeah.
The damage was on the left side, wasn't it?
Yep.
So that kind of makes sense then. Well, you know.
Some bomb shock system on it.
The shocks are freaking awesome.
I know, they're cool.
From an RC car, they found a way to stick them on one of these for us.
I thought about redoing my timber and putting shocks on it.
That ain't a bad idea.
I just got to figure out all the layup and get it to be sturdy enough to hold.
Right.
What I probably end up doing is having somebody make me some 3D pieces that would mount the shocks. There you go.
Nice.
I'd say you're back in business, dude.
Yes, sir. What do I owe you besides the cost?
That's it.
You serious?
I'm dead serious, dude. How much have you done for me?
Yeah, I know.
Come on, pay back is fair.
I appreciate the hell out of it.
Like and
I
subscribe.
don't know what to do with that. I thought about that. Yeah, I'll just take it. And then I'm like, I can't do that. That's $700. I can't do that shit. You're welcome.
Hey.